In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop publishing a chart in Google Sheets. If you've previously published a chart to the web, maybe to embed it on a site or share it as a public link, and you're ready to turn that off, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to revoke that public access while keeping your spreadsheet intact. Publishing makes a live, view-only version of the chart available outside your document, so stopping it is a great way to protect data that no longer needs to be public. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that owns or can edit the spreadsheet with the chart. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel of Google services. Choose Sheets to go to your list of spreadsheets. Now open the spreadsheet that contains the chart you previously published. Once it's loaded, locate the chart you want to unpublish. Click directly on the chart to select it. You'll see a small toolbar appear on the chart frame. Look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu, and click it to open additional actions. From that menu, select Publish Chart. Even though we're trying to stop publishing, this is the place where Google hosts the controls for published charts. A dialog or sidebar will appear with publishing options. In that window, find and click Stop Publishing. This tells Google Sheets to revoke the published link and disable any embeds that were using it. When a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to confirm. This final step ensures that any public links or embedded versions of the chart stop working. After you confirm, it may take a short moment for changes to propagate. If someone tries to use an old embed or link, they'll no longer see the live chart. A few helpful notes as you finish up. If you open the menu and don't see a Stop Publishing button, the chart likely wasn't published in the first place, so there's nothing you need to undo. Stopping publishing affects only the published version. It does not change who can view or edit the chart inside your spreadsheet. If you have multiple charts that were published, repeat these same steps for each one. And if you change your mind later, you can come back to Publish Chart and enable it again. That's it. You've successfully stopped publishing your chart in Google Sheets and secured your data from public access.